Hey guys, welcome back to Job Simulator. Today, we are going to become a gourmet chef.
The kitchen. Do I see an aspiring chef?
Yeah, you see an aspiring chef right here. I'm better than you at cooking. I've never cooked in my life, unless it counts making a killer hot sauce nacho plate, which I like doing.
Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of gourmet chef. We'll start by making some breakfast. Turn on the grill and let's get frying. Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio.
Most delicious eggs of all time. We need we need a piece of bacon. So this level might take a while. Because I've
now
never
put your creations on the plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant.
I want one more piece of bacon. One piece of bacon is not a lot. For a full breakfast, you need at least 2 pieces of bacon and an egg. That's what you need for a full English breakfast. That's my favorite breakfast. An English breakfast.
The smoothie is one of the most efficient forms of human food. Simply take some of your inefficient solid food and put it through the blender.
I've never done this mode before, so this is going to be new to me. Put anything I want. Of course, we need the raw eggs and eggshells. Get in there. Get in there with the rest of them. I had to glitch it in. Okay, 1 egg is enough. Hey, no, okay, it's... Get in there. Okay. Put an orange. That's actually a really good apple. Onion. Next, we need... I was gonna get dish soap, but we can't do that. Not cold shelf. We're gonna have tea. I just heard a drinking sound. I just drank a tea bag. Okay, and for a liquid base, hot sauce. Let's blend it all together. Oh, I forgot to blend it.
Looks good. Pour it out into a cup and then we can serve it.
Need some hot sauce. Oh, we just took the entire bottle of hot sauce. Okay, that's perfect. World's most average worker. Okay, we're not going to take that long for an order again.
Hello, human. Might I trouble you for some tea and crumpets?
Tea is a traditional human beverage consisting of heated water and flavor. Let's begin with heating some water using a kettle.
Start with heating some water with a kettle. Sink. Yeah? Oh, yeah. No, I already ate. This, get the tea bags. No, can you watch upstairs? No.
Like most beverages, tea is best optimized for consumption by being placed in a cup.
Okay, let's go.
Similar to tea, crumpets also require heat.
What is crumpets? Is that bread? Heated bread. Burnt toast. Oh, that's burnt toast. What is a crumpet? Oh. Also requires heat.
To cook flat items,
Corn.
humans use devices called toaster.
Oh, it burned. Is that edible? It counts. I'm gonna burn the crumpets. He's gonna eat burnt crumpets. Two burnt crumpets and a glass of tea.
Let's try making
Whoever
some
was
soup.
watching my video.
As you can see, there are several different kinds we can make, but they all start with putting some water in the pot.
Drink. Drink. We're making a drink. I don't know what it's telling me. Oh, put hot water. Should just use the kettle instead. Is that enough
Great.
water?
Now fill it up with whatever kind of ingredients you want.
We're making a soup. No, we're actually gonna make a good soup. Some onions would be good in the soup. I think some onions would be good. And put some onions. Make it a little spicy. Ooh. That's peach. That would not be good in soup. Go to the fridge. See what else we can. Some meat would be pretty good in the soup. Put some meat in there. What is this? Okay, put in the bacon. That's good. That's good. That's good. And heat up. Steaming. Wait, no, those are pomegranates, not onions. Pomegranate, and steak. Soup. Oh god, that's gonna be disgusting. I thought those were
like
onions.
Mombot used to make.
Just like your mom used to make?
Next, create a vertical arrangement of organic elements. Humans refer to this as a sandwich.
I love sandwiches from Subway. Take the onion off. Down there. Let's get some ingredients. Tomato. Egg. Cheese. We need cheese. Can't slice the cheese. So this is what we're supposed to do. Cheese. Tomato, cheese, and egg.
I'm trying to cut down on gluten, but that looks pretty sandwich.
This does not look good. That's an entire tomato. Order up.
Yes, bonjour. Today I brought you a very rare steak. It is a 1984 vintage. I wish to have it prepared.
French, I gotta hide. What? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You gave me steak from nothing. I am out. You're gonna try and kill me. I'm out. I can't leave you. Okay, what's back here? Oh god, it's the French. Oh no. They're gonna poison me with their... Dude, I swear, like... The French like the most disgusting things. Like, who the frick eats snails?
Please, human, do continue. I do wish for it to be well done.
Well done? Here! You want it
Yes,
burnt?
quite well done. Now, if
Yeah, I
you would
think
be
this
so
guy is...
kind as to pair it with your finest vintage
I think this guy's on
grape
drugs.
juice.
Okay, his mom's grape juice.
Très bien, très bien. Please have it delivered out to the restaurant at once.
Dude, why am I
Wait a second. Before you plate that, did you realize that was famed meat aficionado Meatbot? We'd better make sure our service is exceptional. Better slip this on the plate too.
I'm giving him money now? What the hell? Dude, this guy's gonna die! Oh, he's a robot, I don't care, he's eating...
Hello, it's my little Timmy Bot's birthday. Can we get some pizza for the kids?
Pizza? Sure.
Pizza is generally defined as a combination of bread, tomato, and cheese. Chefs would put their own twist on the dish, adding additional food items known as toppings. Let's begin by blending up some homemade tomato sauce.
Blending up some homemade tomato sauce. Spicy, let's make it spicy. We're gonna get tomatoes and hot sauce. No, the hot sauce. Ha, we have another bottle. Okay, tomato and hot sauce. Blend it all up. That was an apple, not a tomato. Okay.
Delicious. Now apply sauce to bread. We are almost there.
Cheeses.
Combining the bread with some cheese in the microwave should fulfill all material requirements.
Cheese in the microwave. Okay, we're melting cheese on it. I didn't know there's a microwave here. How?
That looks like enough to supply the festivities. Send them off to the dining room.
No, we need like meats. Okay, fine. What happened to my pizza? It just went in the back rooms. I have to make a new one. That's it. This pizza's gonna have carrot sauce on it. Oh wait, no, this is the leftover tomato. Okay. The leftover tomato sauce on the bread. Here. Microwave. With the cheese. Microwave. The cheese on the pizza. We're not burning the cheese. Pizza. We have a pizza.
I forgot to mention, little Timmy is deadly allergic to tomatoes. Could you make a special slice? What do you want instead of sauce on your pizza, Timmy?
I want sauce. That sauce. Make me applesauce.
All right. The human will make you some applesauce. Go sit down now.
Applesauce on pizza? Okay. Applesauce is delicious, but I don't think it belongs on pizza. But this is what we're supposed to do in the game. We're gonna put applesauce on this kid's pizza slice. We need more apples.
Oh, one more thing. Timmy is also allergic to warmth. Could you just serve the ingredients raw?
He's allergic to warmth and tomato? I feel bad for this kid.
Thank you.
What the
Eat
hell?
up, Timmy. The human made it special for you.
Just how I like it.
What the? Bro can't go outside in the summer because he's allergic. Can I hit the bots back there?
Psst. Hey, human. Can you help me out here? I'm trying to propose to my romantic partner. I want it to be a surprise. Can you hide this ring inside a sandwich or something?
Cook it. Let it cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. I don't like cooking books. Get in the fish tank with the rest. That's fake fish. I can see that. Okay. What do I need on this sandwich? Egg. Egg, quickly get the meat. Oh shoot. Bun. Steak. Wedding ring. Egg. Bun. Pig.
Oh, that's great. One more thing, though. I wanted to have some romantic music playing while I do it, but I forgot to burn this disc. Could you burn it for me?
To show affection for one another, humans of the past would burn music onto primitive storage devices called discs. The details of the burning procedure have largely been lost to history, but it must have had something to do with heat.
Toasters?
Oh, that'll be perfect. Thank you so much. Make sure you load the disc into the boombox and hit play before you send out that sandwich. I'll take care of things from there.
What's this, my dear? My sandwich feels much heavier than usual.
Huh. That's interesting.
They're gonna eat the wedding
I wonder if
ring.
there's something different inside?
What do you mean? What's this?
My sweet,
Emotion.
will you
Enter a legally binding partnership.
with me?
Oh, of course. I'm the happiest spot in the world.
Oh, wow. The answer was affirmative. The answer was affirmative.
Will that happen? Oh god. No, we're not cooking paper!
Well, the kids are all finished with their pizza and now they're ready for cake. We do get a free birthday cake, right?
Can't argue with that. Human-run restaurants were morally obligated to provide free cake on children's birthdays.
Oh,
Good
wait,
thing
egg.
we have
It's
a
egg. Yeah, you're
microwave
supposed to
that
put
can
egg in a
quickly
cake.
mutate ingredients into food.
Raise the microwave to mutate things. Need the egg in there. Microwave is not for mutating. Okay, we're gonna have a sweet. We need milk in the cake. Milk, 100% milk. And we need the flour. So that's what it says, and it says it needs a flour. Is that mutated milk? Oh, yummy. I feel happy for the kid. He gets cake. Wish I did too.
Okay, kids, let's get going.
Pull-ups.
Hey, boss, that
I
party
can't
left a
jump that-
huge
oh.
pile of dirty dishes. We're gonna need your help to get through these. They're pretty nasty, so make sure you use a good squirt
What?
of soap.
What the hell? That guy just left. It's the French. That's nasty. Hey, yeah,
Great,
I was
thanks for your
recording.
help.
Why is it starting to feel hot in here?
You there. I need your help. The health inspector's on his way over, and I don't think we're gonna pass inspection. You need to clean this place up. Now make it safe and sanitary. You can start by destroying all this old fruit.
How do I just... Okay.
Okay, that's one thing taken care of. How about those sprinklers? See that little thing up on the ceiling? Try chucking something at it. See what happens.
Chicken. Fried chicken solves everything.
I guess it's not working. Oh well, what are the chances of there being a fire in here anyway? Now we need to deal with any potential insect problems. Look around and see if you can find anything.
Oh god, I hate insects. These are bugs.
Yikes, that's not good. You need to do something about these guys. Get rid of them quick.
Roach check? These are not roaches. How do we kill these?
Well, I guess that'll have to do. Here comes the health inspector.
We're dead.
Okay, everybody stop what you're doing. It's inspection time. Yes. Interesting. That's questionable.
Yeah, it's questionable.
Alright then, I'll just tally these results. And it looks like you've passed this time.
Phew, that was a close one. But now we can get back to business.
Okay.
Hey, Chef! There's a bot here to film an episode of some TV show with you?
TV show? A bot?
Well, they say it was already booked ahead of time, so... Well, just do whatever they say.
Oh.
Hey, human! I'm TV Bot. We're doing a show on how these organic nutrient packs are made. So I just need to record some footage of you going through the various steps, okay? First step is to blend up this protein pill. Let's get a shot of you doing that.
What?
Hey, okay. Great, that was good. Now let's get a shot of you putting this flavor packet in the microwave.
What the?
All right,
This is questionable.
it's in there. Close the door and let me get a shot of the microwave. All right.
Minecraft?
Everybody's following along at home. Beautiful. Now just pour that blended protein fluid onto the cube and we are done.
This is very questionable.
Hey, great job, human. Really appreciate it. Oh, one more thing. Can I get a shot of you? Hey, thank you so much, human. This is some great footage. This episode's gonna be fantastic.
Screw you. This guy's no friends. Whew.
Hey human, check this out. I found this rare turbo Ghost Death Nova pepper. Can you prepare it for me? I like it H-O-T. Come on, put some heat into it.
Put some heat into it?
Come on, that's not hot enough. Can't you do something else? Yeah, I guess that'll have to do. Give it here.
This guy's gonna die. This video's been so long. His cooking levels are long. I'm gonna beat all of them though. Beat all the cooking levels.
Hey, chef. We got 3 bots out here who ordered the special. Not sure what that means, but that's what they want.
Ordering the special means placing your trust in the chef. Just give those bots anything. Be creative. That looks interesting. Send it off to the customer.
What a fascinating dish!
It's an orange. Plain tea packet with nothing.
Another beautiful looking meal, chef.
This meal looks truly special.
This is totally disgusting.
And that'll do for the last one.
Is this some kind of avant-garde meal?
They wanted something special, and they certainly got it.
Dude,
Nice
that
cooking,
was
human.
that was a music disc.
Holy smokes, this is way too hot.
Oh, sounds like the guy with the hot pepper from earlier.
Hey chef, help a bot out here. Come on. Woo! Thanks, human. You really saved my circuits.
Problem solved. I almost got bad.
I just got word from the TV studio, human. They liked your performance on that commercial you did, so they're sending in a camera crew, and they're gonna put you in a reality show.
I'm gonna be in a reality show.
Having your own reality show was seen as the peak of human achievement. Good work, human.
Okay, bots, let's get those cameras set up already.
Yeah, we in a show.
Ready to go, boss.
You ready, human? Okay, bring in the talent.
Nice to meet you, human. I'm Chef Bot Ramshead. Let's get this ball rolling, shall we?
Okay, we'll start with the meatball scene. And action.
What are you waiting for, human? Get cooking! These meatballs aren't going to prepare themselves. Is that how you cook for your family at home, human? Disgusting!
It's Ramsey.
Ugh, those look so bad. My neural network associates them with literal garbage. So are you going to serve them or just let them sit there and get even more disgusting?
Screw you, we're gonna make them burn.
Truly despicable. My kid could cook a meal 100 times better than that.
You told me to cook that way.
Cut.
I don't care.
That was good.
Well, great so far, human. I know I can be a little loud on camera, but it's all just part of the show, you know?
Alright, scene 2. That's the free-form cooking part. And
asshole.
Action.
You worthless, chemical-based meatbag. Get to cooking. Make something good. Show us what you can do, if anything.
I'm out. You know what? Ah! It's jerk. You know what? I broke the simulation. There's hot sauce in the walls. Take a half-eaten piece of bread, you little piece of crap. Oh, take some grilled fire extinguisher.
Quite mature, Chef. Yeah. That's just lovely. Lovely. I love it.
You're calling me
to work.
Why don't you go make me my beef Wellington? Make me my beef Wellington. You will... Mature? I'm immature? What are you doing? You're just sitting here roasting a chef on TV. I found the pizza! Wait!
That's so overdone it could be a meme. You about finished yet? Hurry up, serve it.
Wait. We found the pizza from earlier. I just saw it. I threw it. I threw the pizza.
That's what you call a meal?
That's a meal.
Cut. That's a wrap,
You didn't
folks.
ask me what to make, so I'm just gonna make something random to get this over
I've
with.
got a lot of respect for you after this. Hope to work together again sometime. Farewell.
I hope not, you stupid piece of meat
Well,
bag.
you know how to get back to the museum if you want to. I'll just be hanging out here while you do whatever you want.
Well. This again.